Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making pickled turnips. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the pickled turnips. You will need 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 1 beetroot, 2 turnips, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. And this is how your pickled turnips should look like after a couple of days. Eat them with your favorite shorba dish and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!